Okay, so that brings us to the last of our elements. The last of our animals that make up Santi Shi, which is the chicken. The sixth animal isn't an animal at all, it's something called thunder sound. So that was in all of them, effectively. So thunder sound. Interesting about thunder sound is it should be the weight of your body landing on the floor, not stamping. Yeah, so it's not like you do a stamp. It's just your body weight landing. Yeah, so like that. If you actually hit something, it wouldn't make that sound because the energy going to the person. Because there's nobody there, it goes into the floor. So that's the way to think about it. Thunder sound. But back to chicken. So chicken leg is the last animal we're talking about in terms of the Santi Shi. So it essentially means that your weight is on one leg, not the other. So that you, at any moment, if somebody swept your front leg away, it shouldn't be that you fall over too much. It should just be that, oh, I can come up. Yeah. So all these are Santi Shi, because it doesn't really matter what the front leg does. What matters is what the back leg does. And also the idea of front and back leg takes on a different meaning as well. It just means one leg or the others, because if I'm in a forward-weighted stance like an eagle, the front leg here is really the back leg of that stance. So which one's the front, which one's the back? Here, the back leg is really the front leg of this stance. So back and front tend to lose their meaning at that point. So it just means that your weight is on one leg. If you look at a chicken running and it stops, it can stop dead on one leg. That's the same idea. Yeah. So when you do the chicken link, it actually uses a different set of stepping to the rest of Xingi, really, which is interesting because it really emphasises the one-legged thing. So if you look at chicken here, so it's all on one leg. The other leg is just next to you here. Yeah, not taking any weight at all. Yeah. So you do 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And so these are kind of upward strikes to the palm. Not so much with the fingers. It's more like hitting the palm into things. So from Santi Shi, the first bit of chicken would be to come back with the front hand and forward the backhand, and again, and again. Yeah. So we've got 1, 2, 3. And then to do the turn, we do the same sort of circular stepping, like you're stepping around somebody who's next to you. So you're not turning on the spot, you're stepping around. But you need to be delivering a strike at the same time as you turn, which is the tricky bit. So we've ended up in a right strike forward. So the left hand's going to do the strike. So it needs to be hitting on the turn. Then you go again. 1, 2, 3. Round 4. 1, 2, 3. Round 4. Yeah. So I mean that's the simplest chicken link I can think of, with a nice turn in it. It's well worth practicing just for the foot movement, just to get used to that idea of being on one leg. Yeah, so I was on one leg. However, it lacks content, and a more exciting version would be starting to Santi Shi. As you can see, it's much more detail than that, and it would just take me ages to explain. But it's got some lovely knee strikes in, you know. That's very sharp, good chicken strikes. Maybe we'll stick to the basic one. So we're just there. I'll do. Cool. Thanks.